Hello students, in this video I am going to show you how you can highlight the maximum value of any particular range, and in the earlier video I have shown you how you can highlight the minimum value of any particular range. If you have not seen that video, I request you please see that video first and come to this video. Okay, and you can see that I have taken some random values starting from the cell A1 to E10, and I am going to highlight the maximum value of this particular range. So how can I do this? To do this I have to go to developer tab and insert, and from here I have to go to ActiveX control, and from here I will draw a command button. Okay, I draw a command button and I have to double click on it, and at first of all I have to declare some variable, that is dim cell as range, dim RNG as range, and I have to set the range, that is RNG. Set RNG is equal to worksheets that is sheet 1, because I am working on sheet 1. You can see here, you can see from here I am working from sheet 1 and the range is from A1 to E10. Okay, dot range A1 to E10 and close the bracket. Now I am using the maximum value is equal to application dot worksheet function dot max, and in bracket I will give RNG. Okay, and now cells dot interior dot color index I will take 0. Now I will use for loop, that is for each cell in RNG. When I am starting for loop I have to end for loop, that is next cell, and inside the for loop I will give the if statement, that is if cell dot value is equal to, and from here I will copy it from here, and I will paste over here cell dot value. Then what happens, cell dot interior dot color index is equal to 3 is for red color, and when I have started if I have to end if, that is end if. Okay, this is the code by which you can highlight the maximum value by the help of VBA macro. Okay, this is the whole code, this is the whole process. And if I close the button, close the window, and first of all I have to come out from the design mode. If I click here, then I will come out from the design mode, and if I click on this command button, then you will see the maximum value of this particular range has highlighted. Okay, and if I change the value, then you can see the maximum values, that is there is 2 values found in this particular range. Those are the maximum value in this particular range. Okay, and if I again click on this value button, then you can see the maximum value of this particular cell has automatically highlighted. Okay, if I again change the value and formulas and calculate now, and click on this button, then you can see the maximum value of this particular range has automatically highlighted. Okay, if you want to change the color index number, then that also you can do that. Go to developer tab and Visual Basic, and if I give here 4, then it comes to green color, and if I give here 15, then it comes to gray color. Okay, the code is very easy. Please practice this. Okay, at your home, please practice this. And if you have any problem regarding this, tell us where you are finding the problem. And please subscribe the channel if you haven't subscribed the channel, and share the link with others so that others also can join us. Okay, please share the link. And in the next video we will try our best to give the videos related to HTML and command prompts. Okay, HTML and command prompt. So please subscribe the channel to get the latest video notification. Okay, thank you all.